Hey there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. I just found an awesome new song that I want to share with you. Check it out.
I'm taking my morning walk and listening to my music. And when I listen to my music, I really want to move it. What makes you move your feet? Is it drums on a beat? It's groovy. Get moving. Is it bass playing low? Shake your body, let it go. It's groovy. Get moving. What makes you clap your hands? Can we try to understand? It's groovy. Get moving. What makes you nod your head? You can't dance while you're in bed, so move it. Get grooving. Music makes you groove. It gets you moving. So get up off your seat and move your feet. You know what? When I hear Hoot play like that, it makes me want to shake. Move your hips and wave your arms. Shake yourself awake. If I hear Baboom and he's playing low, I want to make my body go with the flow. Let's wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Music makes you groove, it gets you moving. So get up off your seat and move your feet. Listen to the bops when they play that beat. I can't help but shuffle my feet. Shuffle. Everybody shuffle. Octos, octos, do your thing. Play a song and we can sing and dance to the music. Well, the bops made us dance. The octos made us dance. Baboom made us dance. Now everybody dance. Music makes you groove. It gets you moving. So get up off your seat and move your feet. Music makes you groove, it gets you moving. When you listen to that sound, you got to move around. Whoa.
Fun, right? Tune in next time for even more awesome songs.